Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to change the chat color on Signal. Also I wonder why you want to know how to change the chat color on Signal. Maybe because you want something new in your chat, maybe you want to upload a wallpaper, you want to change its color, you want to change that message's color because you have seen someone else and it really inspired you to change yours, or maybe you prefer some multicolors in chat, or it could be any other reason for you to do that. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Signal app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it get installed, after that you just have to simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At the bottom we have two options and all over the screen we have multiple options. Right now we are in the chat section where all the chats available, and this one is the status section where all the statuses gets uploaded. So from all these options, what we have to do is you just have to simply click on this icon. This is your profile icon, which is on the top left side of the screen. You have to just simply click on it, and once you click onto this option you will see this option, which is settings. So just simply tap on this option. Once you get there, at the top you will see the title of settings and you will see many options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own specific task in the app. From all these options we have to select this one option, which is appearance. Once you tap on it you will see two options there. So from all these two options we have to select the last option, which is chat color and wallpaper. Once you click on this option you will get into it, and at the top you will see its title and see many different options. So here we have this first option, which is the color of the chat. As you can see we have two colors. Blue, the message we sent is in the blue color, so if you want to change that you have to click on it, and there you will see multiple color options. You can choose any one of these solid colors or you can choose any one of these gradient colors. If you want new colors, so you have to click on this plus icon, and there you can create your own color of choice from solid to gradient, whatever you prefer. You just have to create it, and you can choose any one of the colors whatever you like. Once you get back you will see other options, like you can also reset, you will get back to the previous color that was the default color, or you can post any kind of wallpaper on your chat's background. You can post any kind of color here, you can see, or you can post any kind of picture from your mobile phone gallery. If you select the option which says choose from photos, then mobile phone gallery will open, and from there you will select any picture of your choice and it will be uploaded as a wallpaper of your chat. Otherwise you can choose any color. Here we have solids and the gradient colors. You can choose whatever you like, and after that you can also reset that, and you can manage the shade of the wallpaper. It could be dark or it could be light, whatever you prefer you can choose that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the color of the chat on Signal. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.